And today I want to show you how to make the Lightsaber Otter Pop Cozy. What you're going to need is your choice of worsted weight yarn in gray and black, little bits of felt or red yarn, black yarn to make little dots. I think the felt looks a little better. You're going to need a G-hook, tapestry needle, and scissors. So let me show you how to start here. We're going to start by chaining 9. We're going to start with a slip knot. So slip knot is like so. You kind of go over, you hold it together, insert your hook, grab a yarn, grab the yarn and pull tight, not too tight. And now we're going to chain 9. Chain is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to half double crochet in the second chain from your hook, not this one, but this one. You're going to yarn over, you're going to insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, we're going to go into our next chain, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. We're going to do that all the way across. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we're going to work on the other side here, but to get to that side we're going to make a half double crochet in that same stitch we just ended in, but we're going to kind of move our tail over to the side. So that was 1. Now we're going to work in these areas here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to slip stitch to your very first chain here because we're going to change colors. So we're going to go into that stitch, pull through, and chain 1. And this is where I like to take my tail and weave it in. You don't have to, you can wait till the very end to weave in all your ends. I just kind of like to get this one out of my way. Okay, so we've made 1 round of half double crochet in gray. We're going to do 3 rounds total. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 1. So we're going to half double crochet all around again, and we're going to have a total of 16 half double crochets. Okay, almost there. Okay, and then we're gonna, let's see, we have 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're gonna slip stitch to our very first stitch that we made. And chain 1. Okay, so I've done my 3 rounds of half double crochet in my gray, just like here. Now we're going to switch to black yarn. So I'm going to slip stitch my last row here together, But I'm not going to chain one because I'm going to change my color to black. So I'm going to grab my black yarn. I'm going to loop it through and then chain one. And I'm not going to cut my gray off because we're going to go back and forth. So then we need to do one row or one round of half double crochet in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're going to slip stitch to the very first stitch. Okay, and now we're going to change back to gray. Okay, and then we're going to do a round of gray again. Okay, so I've done another round of my half double crochet in gray. I'm going to slip stitch it to my first one. And I'm going to switch back to black again. And I'm going to do another round of half double crochet in black. Okay, so I did another round in black. I'm going to slip stitch, change it back to gray. Okay, we're going to do another round of half double crochet in gray. Okay, so I did another round of gray. I'm going to slip stitch and we are going to make our last round of black. Right, 1, 2, 3, yep. So this is our last round of black. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch and I'm going to change it back to gray. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds of half double crochet in gray. And you can snip off your black because we're done with the black. Okay, so I did my 4 rounds of half double crochet in gray, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to slip stitch it, and I'm going to do a round of single crochet just to kind of finish it off. Single crochet is insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, go into your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So we're going to do that all the way around. So what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, slip stitch, chain 1, and snip. Okay, and let's tie off our ends here. So I did my gray on the bottom. Okay. Alright, snippy, snippy. Snippy, snippy. Okay, flip it over. Okay, so now with your choice of felt, I use black and red. I think I saw one with like black and blue or black and green. I'm not sure. But what I literally did is I took a scrap of felt, and I took like a marker that's the same size as the marker. I literally traced the marker, and what was it with the pen? If you're using black felt, can't really see it. Oh, it is. It's either a red dot or a blue dot. Okay, so and can you see that? Yeah, you can. And then you just kind of as perfectly circle as you can. I don't think it needs to be super perfect. I think the kids will be stoked. There's one. And then red. There. Bloop. And bloop. There you go. That one looks a little bit more perfect, but that's okay. Oh, this one looks a little bit elongated. There. So you hot glue them on, and you're good to go. And you got, oh, look at my colors are two totally different colors. I think this one was a different gray. Either way, they are done, they are fun, and they're ready to go. So I hope you guys make it and share it with me, and I will see you guys on the